water or no water, they'll die. If you put the right amount of water, they'll grow. I feel thirsty and it's hot. I think I need a drink. Hi, my name is Surya Tejas and welcome to Surya's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a drink and the drink is called mango lassi. You can think of it as a smoothie or a milkshake. Do you know the ingredients you will need to make a yummy mango lassi? You will need a yellow ripe mango, plain yogurt, brown sugar, cardamom powder, and almond flakes. Take the mango and wash it very well. Cut it into pieces and don't include the skin. And remember, there are big seeds in a mango. Take some cardamom and take out the seed and use your stone mortar and mush it, and then you'll get the cardamom powder. If you don't have a stone mortar, you can just use the seeds. Now let's see how to make the mango lassi. Put all the ingredients in the blender jar. First, I'm going to add the mango pieces. Now I'm adding plain yogurt. If you don't know how to use the blender, ask a grown-up's help. My mango lassi is ready. Let's pour it into a cup. Now I've transferred my mango lassi into a drinking jar. If you don't want thick lassi, then add some ice cubes while you're blending. I am adding almond flakes as my topping, or you can use fresh cream. Before I drink my mango lassi, I want to tell you some fun facts. Did you know mangoes are tropical fruits and they grow largely in India? No more facts now. I'm starving. I can't wait. Taste time. So good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you get the same thing because you're gonna love it. And come next time.